On Monday, I wake up at 7 o'clock a.m. I brush my teeth and take a shower. After that, I eat breakfast. I usually have cereal and milk. Then, I go to work. I work from 9 o'clock a.m. to 5 o'clock p.m. After work, I go to the gym for an hour. In the evening, I have dinner and watch TV. I go to bed at 10 o'clock p.m. On Tuesday, I follow the same morning routine. After work, I take a cooking class. I learn how to make different dishes. It is fun and relaxing. I eat what I cook for dinner. I go to bed at 10:30 p.m. Wednesday is a busy day. I wake up at 7 o'clock a.m. and go to work. After work, I visit my parents. We have dinner together and talk about our week. I leave their house at 8 o'clock p.m. and go home. I read a book before sleeping. I go to bed at 10 o'clock p.m. On Thursday, my routine is the same in the morning and at work. After work, I meet my friends for coffee. We talk and laugh a lot. I get home at 7 o'clock p.m. I prepare a simple dinner and watch a movie. I go to bed at 11 o'clock p.m. Friday is exciting because the weekend is near. After work, I go out with my friends. We usually go to a restaurant or a bar. I have fun and return home late. I go to bed at midnight. On Saturday, I sleep in until 9 o'clock a.m. I have a lazy morning and make a big breakfast. In the afternoon, I do house chores like cleaning and laundry. Sometimes, I go shopping or meet friends. In the evening, I relax at home. I go to bed at 11 o'clock p.m. Sunday is a day for rest. I wake up late and have a leisurely breakfast. I like to go for a walk in the park or read a book. I prepare meals for the week ahead. In the evening, I call my family and catch up. I go to bed at 10 o'clock p.m. to be ready for the new week.
What does the person usually have for breakfast on Monday? Toast and juice, cereal and milk, eggs and bacon, pancakes. Question number 2. What activity does the person do after work on Tuesday? Goes to the gym, takes a cooking class, visit parents, or meets friends for coffee? The answer for question number 1 is cereal and milk. The answer for question number 2 is takes a cooking class. Question number 3. How does the person spend Wednesday evening? Reading a book before bed, going out with friends, taking a yoga class, watching a movie. What time does the person usually go to bed on Thursday? 10 p.m., 10:30 p.m., 11 p.m., or midnight? Answer for question number 3. Reading a book before bed. Answer for question number 4. 11 p.m.
I usually wake up at 7 o'clock a.m. I always brush my teeth and take a shower first. After that, I sometimes eat cereal and milk for breakfast, but I often have toast and juice. I leave for work at 8 o'clock a.m. I work from 9 o'clock a.m. to 5 o'clock p.m. I rarely take a break before lunch. At noon, I usually have lunch with my colleagues. We often eat at a nearby cafe. In the afternoon, I occasionally have meetings. but I usually work on my projects. After work, I often go to the gym. I usually exercise for an hour, twice a week. I take a yoga class. After the gym, I sometimes visit the grocery store to buy fresh vegetables and fruits. I always cook dinner at home. I usually eat around 7 o'clock p.m. After dinner. I often watch TV or read a book. Once in a while, I go out with friends in the evening. I like to relax and unwind after a busy day. Before going to bed, I always brush my teeth. I often read for a few minutes before turning off the light. I usually go to bed at 10 o'clock p.m., but on weekends, I occasionally stay up later.
What time does the person usually wake up in the morning? 6 a.m., 7 a.m., 8 a.m., 9 a.m. Question number 2. How often does the person take a yoga class? Once a week, twice a week, 3 times a week, every week? The answers are, for question number 1, 7 a.m. For question number 2, twice a week. What does the person do after dinner in the evening? Goes to the gym, reads a book or watches TV, takes a yoga class,